Go home happy with the 2020 Nissan Rogue. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power liftgate, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat, blind spot monitor, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.